Hi guys, hope you're well. My name is Matt Feast and I'm going to quickly do a video on how to get started with JetUp and also link to a company called Tag Markets, okay, because they work in tandem with each other. But JetUp is like a portal, okay, and it's linked to Tag Markets. So guys, when you come in, you need to fill in your information here, your profile, okay? And the second thing you need to do is you scroll down here, right? And there's a big button there that says connect to Tag Markets. So you log in, okay, and you have to bring you straight to Tag Markets, okay? So it's linked, all right? So what happened is, come straight here, all right, and yours will be blank. Let me just quickly log in myself. There we go. So you need to put $150 in there, okay, to get your bonuses, alright? And you need to do your KYC, okay? So you need to do your KYC. You'll have a toolbar here saying you need to do your KYC, but the first thing you need to do really is do your profile. Do your profile first, okay? And that's me, Matt Feast, blah blah blah, okay? And you need to be verified. That's a very important thing you need to do, okay? Get a profile, and it should say you need to be KYC'd. And all you need, guys, is your email address, okay, here, obviously your password, your phone number, okay? If you're in the United States, okay, guys, please use a Canadian number, okay? And because obviously you don't need a proof of address with this KYC, you just need a picture of yourself, okay, like a selfie, and you need a passport, or you can use a driving license, as long as it's, you know, proving who you are, okay? Just let you know, alright? You read the terms and conditions, and you do, my advice is do a authorization code with Google. It's all set here to make it really safe, to make your account really safe, okay? So, what you need to do, you need to come here, go to the dashboard, and you need to make $150 deposit. Alright? So, 150. Oh. Okay, here we go, sorry about that. 150. It gives you options here. USD, United States, Euros, Australian dollars, or Canadian dollars, okay? And it gives you amounts here, $100, $500, $1,000, or other. In this case, if you want to get your bonuses, you can actually put 500 in, and it'll be taken out, and they double your $100. Okay, so let's say, for example, right here we go, other, 150. Okay, 150. Okay, right. You need to pay by crypto. Okay, there's no fees. There's probably a few, well, no, a few dollars. No, it's a few cents actually. Crypto. Yeah, it's a few cents. You know, say $150 here. Yeah, it's only a few cents with crypto. Okay, you can pay by Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, USD Coin, Binance Coin, or Solana. Okay, very easy. You can't pay by credit card, but they do charge you fees. You know, they charged me, I think, about $4. You know, so make sure you add another $4 onto the 150. I know it sounds crazy, but that's how it is with these banks. Or you can do a bank transfer. Okay, fill in all your information here, get all your information from your bank, and then you can do that. It's up to you. You have choices. Okay. Okay, so you've got your $150 in here. Okay, hypothetically. So what you need to do is you need to apply for your bonuses, okay? And how you do this is I'll leave the link below the videos, okay? So you've got it to hand, all right? And Right, so after you've done that, you need to click onto this link here. I've done a website to show you anyway, so I'm just trying to explain to you. So you go to this website, and now you want to apply for your discounts, your bonuses, yeah? So there's a big green button here. Okay, you can't miss it. Green. Joking. Orange. It's alright, I'm not colourblind. Anyway, you need to put your name, okay, your full name, okay, your email address, and you need your CU number. Okay, the CU number is your ID in Tag Markets. And how you get that, you scroll up to Tag Markets, you go to your profile, and it's here. You have a picture of your face, your full name, and that's your CU number. You need to copy and paste that. And then you go straight back to, where is it now? Where am I? Oh, not there. Oh, I lost myself now. There we go. And then you go to here, CU number, paste that, okay. And then you join the promo, okay. Alright. Once you join the promo, it does take about an hour to 2 hours, sometimes 4 or 5 hours, okay, to get your bonuses. And how you know this when you receive them, you go to your Tag Markets account, right? Go to dashboard, and it'll be all shown here in this big box here, okay? Alright? And then obviously you'll notice $150 up here will turn into $100, so they're going to double your $100, okay? Alright? I'll show you in a minute where it'll be allocated. So, the next thing you need to do, you need to connect to a contract with Sonic, okay, with your $50. So how you do this, you scroll all the way down to your navigation bar. It says Copy X. So copy X, and then this window will pop up, okay. Please note, guys, if you've got a firewall or antivirus, sometimes this won't come up. It's a bit of a nightmare really. So my advice is turn it off for about 10 minutes, and once you've allocated the contract, turn it back on. Okay, just let you know. Anyway, all this here, okay, Sonic, that's a contract. All these, don't worry about, just that'll be on another day. They're talking about this on the webinar the other day, okay. But we're going to concentrate on this because it's going to give us 24x on our bonuses, okay? So the $50 will turn into $1,200 leverage, okay? Just so you know that. So basically, your $100 they're going to double, okay? And they're going to give you Sonic application of 24x. So basically, if you add those together, you're going to have 6k trading for one contract, okay? Anyway, meanwhile we need to connect. So, you come to this big page here, it's got a big button there saying connect. Okay. If I go to my onboard here, this is a PDF file, shows you what to do, so it's quite clear. Anyway, we're here. Okay. And we're on Copy X, as I said earlier on, right down the navigation bar there, okay? So if we go to Tag Markets again, we're here, right, connect. This window will pop up, okay? So what you need to do, you need to put, say, $50, which you've got that in your wallet, okay? Alright. Scroll down, Community Token, click on that, and you bring to this page here, okay? And down here, you need to put the code, alright, which is #9M, alright, okay? I'll leave it in the description box below, okay, so it's all there for you, okay? And these buttons here, do not click, avoid them, okay? You do it on the next step. Click on that. And this will pop up, okay? #/GUID, okay? And what you need to do, guys, with this one here, is you need to put another promo code in, okay, which is 9 promo M. Oh. Which is 9M promo. Okay. Then these buttons here, now you can agree. Okay, because it's had this problem before. Okay, and people getting errors. All right. Then you submit. Then you copy now. Okay. All right. And then what will happen is it'll automatically be allocated into your contract. So if I scroll down, in fact, sorry, not scroll down. See this here, it says browse. It's here, sorry. It's follow hub. Follow hub. Okay. Now you want strategies. So if you click on here, that big button there says strategies. Okay. All your contracts be added here. So for example, your $100, okay, from your wallet, first off, will be allocated, so it'll be double. So you have $200 in there, yeah? That will be times by 12.5x, okay? That's the first contract, right? The second contract, which you've just done now, called Sonic, it times up by 24, right? And that'll be here, okay? So basically, if you add those up, it's 6k, all right, including the deposit, all right, trading on your behalf, and then you get paid every day, 5 days a week, because obviously it's forex, okay, all right. After you've done that, you can time up to it every day. It'll come in, all right. You can either reinvest your profits, okay, or you can do a withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal is $10, guys. Okay, just let you know. Okay, and you can and how you add more money in. You do the same thing. You big button up here, deposit. Say I don't know $50 or whatever, and then be allocated. Then you can do it from here. Once it's in the system, you can deposit any amounts you like, and the contract still goes. You still get 12.5x on your first one and 24x on the Sonic contract. So it's pretty damn good, guys, and it's making a good return on investment. And the beauty about, I do love this company, which is the regulations of the business and also the full insurance of asset protection. That really drew me. But anyway, meanwhile, if you do struggle, please reach out to me. I'm here to help you. We do have a good, strong Telegram group. I'll leave all the links in the videos down below. Okay, all the information and all the other bits and pieces. And also, I will leave, if I quickly click on that, where is it now? Here we go. This is a PDF file here. Okay. Very handy. You can actually refer to it. It's, you know, how to get started. It's got everything there, guys. Yeah. Okay. And before I go, if I quickly go to my Tag Markets account, you can actually refer people. It's up to you. Okay. Ignore this. This is for if you're a big bank or if you're a big institution. Fine. That's your referral link. But really, if you're Joe Blogs like me, or an average person, this is your link you refer people. The partner. That is your referral link. I know people don't like referring, but with the business, it's entirely up to you. You don't have to. I do it because this is my full-time job, and it's working. Okay, guys. All right? And that's how you do it. Meanwhile, any questions, any answers, please reach out to me. I'm here to help you. I'm also doing Zoom calls if you do really, really struggle. Just send me information, who you are, and I will send you a Zoom link and we can have a talk, not a problem. So basically, I'm here to help you grow your income to the next level. Alright? Thank you very, very much for watching the video. Really appreciate it. And my name's Matt Feast. And hey, my saying is, happy days.